Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 1st of July 2019 at 8 PM British Summer Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you. Unfortunately, there has been an issue with the manufacturer that produces the dies for Clearly Besotted, and unfortunately they can't manage to have the dies this month for the sets, you know, the coordinating dies for the sets. So I just wanted to let you know there, because I know a lot of people do really like to buy the coordinating dies with the sets. Clearly Besotted are going to try and get them in, but there may be a bit of a wait about that, so I do apologise for that. But let's get on to the sets. This first one here is the Darling Dahlia set. Really beautiful set. You've got the two different bouquets of the dahlias there, so you've got one kind of in a spray and then one sort of more as an upright. You've got two larger sentiments, so you've got the darling and the hugs, and then you've got loads of different other sentiments a bit smaller size, more like a typewriter font, that you can mix and match with those. So you've got daughter, oh my, you're a, to my, sending, hi, you are such a darling, with love, take care, hello, and you're my. So you could do things like sending hugs, you're my darling, to my darling daughter. Loads of different options for creating sentiments with this set. This is the card that I made using that set. Stamped out the dahlias, coloured them with Copic markers and fussy cut them out. Did a bit of ink blending in the background there. And the sentiment here is from the next set that I'm going to share with you. So this set here is the Simply Said birthday, and this is where my sentiment came from. There are tons of different sentiments in here for loads of different people in your lives, all around the birthday theme. So you've got time to celebrate, have fun on your special day, many happy returns, the best years are yet to come, which is the one that I used on my card. To a fabulous father, sending happiest birthday wishes. To a brilliant brother, keep calm, it's only another birthday. To a magnificent mother, may your birthday be as amazing as you are. Happy birthday to my wife, ignore the candles, it's all about the cake. To a super sister, have a fabulous birthday. Happy birthday to a delightful daughter. Hip hip hooray, it's your birthday. To my husband, with love on your birthday. Birthday boy, time to celebrate you. And happy birthday to a special son. Birthday girl, today is all about you. And then you've got some separate sentiments, hooray, yay, yippee and woo. I really like the two different styles of the fonts on these, where they, you know, like they've put them together. And like I said, pretty much you could use this for almost everyone in your family, which would be really nice. Next up is the Up Plushie set. This is so adorable. So you've got all of these cute little critters here, and they've just got their heads and their paws, or their hands, depending on the animal, and they can kind of pop up behind something. So you could use them like an interactive card and actually have them popping up, which would be really nice. Or you could use them just behind various different images and things like that, kind of popping up behind. You've got a few different lines that they can be popping up over. You've got an arrow, which you could have kind of like to show that you want to lift something up to pop them up. The sentiment there, popping by to say hi. There's a party hat, some spectacles or glasses, depending on what you like to call them, a top hat and a crown, a little bow and a mustache, which is just absolutely adorable. This is the card that I made using that set. I had to do a bit of stamp surgery on this, but I stamped out the grass first, and then I stamped out the three little images from the Up Plushies, and then I stamped in a fence, and I had to sort of change the fence slightly. So this fence and grass is from this set here, which is the Forever Friends set, and so that's the grass there, and then that's the fence. But I didn't want the kind of like picket end to be on the fence, because I thought that it might you know, dig into the animals' faces. So I masked that off, and then when I stamped that, and then I did a bit of surgery and just drew a line sort of across so that it looked like it was a flat fence, and coloured it so that it was, as I said, like a flat fence. And I thought that that would be really cute with those animals popping up behind. Just did a bit of cloud distress inking in the background, and that sentiment there is from the Darling Dahlia set. To go along with the pop-up plushies, there is this pop-up prop set, which is great because if you didn't want to do stamp surgery like I did, there are already things that you can have them popping out of. So you've got things like that they can be holding a sign and you can add a sentiment on the sign, which would be really cute, popping up behind the wall. There's a flower pot there, a teacup, a present. You've got the teapot, sorry, trying to think of the name there, the pumpkin, so like a Santa sack or a sock, the basket there, a Polaroid and the window, and you've got the tops of different things you can have, like coming out of a flower pot with the flower on the top of their head. That would be really, really cute. I really like this set. Obviously I didn't use it for the pop-up plushies, but hopefully I will get a chance to use that soon. They work really well together. Next up is a smaller set. This is the Laugh Out Loud Baby. This is a sentiment set that you can add with loads of different images for like babies. So the sentiments read: a bouncing bundle of pure joy, prepare for some unpleasant changes. Congratulations on your new baby, welcome to the sleep deprivation club. A new baby brings endless joy, sleep, money and free time are overrated. Let's go out to celebrate your new baby in about 18 years time. Or sorry, in about 18 years without the time. And then hello baby, goodbye sleep. So it's just a fun, humorous set that you can, like I said, coordinate with lots of different images. Next up, another one of the smaller sets. This is the Mischievous Mole. Absolutely adorable. I really love this cute little set. So you've got the 3 different moles there in their different poses, one coming up from the earth, and then you've got a mound of earth there as well, which you can have them sitting on. You've got an extra flower there, and the sentiments read: I'd pick you, I really adore you, hi, dig it, I really dig you, if friends were flowers, I'd pick you. And then you've got the butterfly there separately as well. This is the card that I made using that set, kept it very, very simple. I added a mask on top of a panel and then I stamped inside of the mask and then coloured it so that it was just all one layer. Obviously stamped out the flower there and the mole and then the little butterfly there, coloured them with Copic markers, and then the sentiment there is from the next set that I'm going to share with you. So this is where that sentiment came from. This is the Up Psst set. This again works really, really well with the pop-up plushies and the pop-up props. So you've got the 3 different speech bubbles there, and then you've got tons of sentiments that you can add inside, or like I did, I used them separately on a different card. So they read: have you heard? Meet me for tea, just for you. Happy birthday. Thanks a bunch. Can you keep a secret? Merry Christmas. I'm here for you. A gift for you. Selfie time. I see you. Boo to you. No peeking. Bye bye. Peekaboo. Happy Easter. Strike a pose. And then you've got the 2 psts that you can add sort of in front of the sentiments. You've got hashtag selfie over here. Hi there. Surprise. Surprise in the other type of spelling. Guess what? Say cheese, smile with love and yay. So they, like I said, you can use them in loads of different cards. They'll just be great for using with loads of different critter images, obviously the pop-up plushies as well, and just general sentiments if you want a smaller sentiment on your card. Next up is the Home Sweet Home set. These are so cute. You've got all of these different houses that are made from sweets or candy, as you probably call it in America. I'm not sure what it's called around the rest of the world. So you've got all of these different really cute little houses. You've got extra sprinkles, a candy cane. You've got the sentiments: home, we have moved, sweet, exo, home sweet home, welcome and new. So you can do like new home, sweet home, welcome home. Just a really great set. I think this would work really well with lots of different critter images, but obviously you can use them on their own as well for just general sort of new home cards. And last but not least, this is the Birds of a Feather set. You've got tons of different bird images in this set. I really like that you like all of the birds are kind of catered for here. So I'm not 100% sure on all of the actual birds, but I believe that this is a flamingo, this is a heron, a parrot or a parakeet. You've got the toucan. This is, I believe, kind of just like a general bird or like a budgie. You've got the owl there and the penguin. You've got the nest, the branch there, a leaf image and the little house. the flower there, and then the sentiments read, "Owl be there for you, chirp, you really are the tweetest, some birdie loves you, happy bird day to you, and like birds of a feather we flock together." And this is the card that I made using that set. Did some apertures with some hexagons, did a bit of distress ink blending in the background, stamped out the toucan and the parrot there, fussy cut them out, and then also added the leaves in and the flower. This leaf here is from the Some Birdie Loves You set. I thought it worked quite nicely with the design of those leaves. I just wanted an extra one that was a bit smaller. And then I stamped out the sentiment and cut it up into 3 separate sentiment strips just to have that on the card there as well. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for July 2019. Links to the products will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.